importing AYMultiCharacter to Unity. So this is the same animation we exported out as FBX. All right, and we're gonna import this into Unity. So I have Unity launched, and this is Unity. Now to import your character into Unity, you want to go to Asset and import new asset. And I'm going to go to the folder where I have my character exported, which I named Meg. So this is Meg FBX, and I'm just going to import Meg. So now I have Meg in Unity, and it seems like nothing really is going on for now, but I'm just going to pull and drag Meg in there. Now this is Meg, and if I try to hit the play button, nothing happens. Meg is just still, and she's also backing the camera. So I just want to fix this quickly. Here is my camera. I need to change the rotation. And make sure okay, so I can pull this back now. So let's see. And I think I need to change the illumination a bit, just change the rotation of the light. This is a point light, so it's a directional light rather, so you don't have to move it around. All right, so this way, let's see what it looks like from the camera view when you hit play. Okay, I need to just center her a little bit more. Just a little bit more. Just center her and pull this back a bit. So I think this is fine. Okay, so this is just me trying to set the camera, and it's time to make sure our animation plays. So for animation to play, you want to select this guy here. Make sure Meg is selected, and you want to select this guy here. This is the animation component of your character, so you just want to drag that and add it. So when you add it, automatically you already got yourself an animator component here. Now this animator component is responsible for the animation that is going to play. So I just want to click on that and make sure my time loop is on, and hit on the play button this time around. Apply. And see, the animation is playing from Mixamo into Blender, retargeted onto AYMultiCharacter version 2.0, and exported out as FBX with animation, brought into Unity to get the animation playing in Unity. But at this point, I can see my character's skin texture is not coming through. That's very simple to fix. To fix this, I'm just going to stop the animation. Then I want to go to the folder where my character is saved. So I'm going to the folder, and I have a folder called textures in that folder. So just open up the texture folder, then select all the textures in there that's meant for my character, and I'm just going to drag that in the scene. So as soon as I did that, you can see my character is looking exactly like what I had in Blender. The character skin texture is there, and everything looks good.